So we have three kinds of verbs in the past simple tense. We have voice sound. The sound te and te. Yes, we add an extra syllable here. We add id syllable at the end of the verb. For example, wanted and needed. Wanted, needed. We add an extra syllable here. Second time, voiceless letter yes, which is changed into take sound, because you cannot find any vibration while you are pronouncing this sound. For example, yes, so there is no vibration, so you pronounce it like take sound, like helped, asked, laughed, washed, watched, kissed, danced, and fixed. These are voiceless sound, so there is no vibration and they are pronounced like te, yes sound. The third sort of these verbs, the voiced yes verbs, the voiced d at the end of the verb, and when the verb ends yes with one of these these sounds, I'm sorry, like call, we don't change it into te, or we don't add an extra syllable like wanted and so on. But here we pronounce it as it is. We only pronounce the letter de as it is. So called, cleaned, offered, damaged, loved, breathed, used, followed, enjoyed, and amazed. Thank you.